Hi, Don again, snapitupcanada.com. Looking for a Super 8 projector or an 8mm projector? Well, how about you get both? This is a great ELMO K-100SM dual 8 projector. It plays both 8mm and Super 8. It's a very nice projector, but as you will notice, the front bezel is missing. That's the only thing wrong with this projector. It doesn't affect the way it plays or anything, and I'll show you that in a second here. You got variable speed, on-off settings. Let's take a look at it. Nice quiet projector. You can see the light shining out there. That's going to bother you. This isn't the projector for you. But if you're looking for that, then this might well be the projector for you. Very nice image. This is a great projector. ELMO K-100SM. Don here at snapitupcanada.com. Thanks for looking.